everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your own parkour party blueprint in Heartopia without messing up your house layout. So in this latest Heartopia update, there's a new multiplayer mode that called Parkour Party, and the fun part is you can actually design your own custom parkour map without messing up your house. First, just make sure you already have the starting rock and finish rock, and after that just buy any building materials that you want for your obstacle and platforms. You can buy the item at the Bob's furniture stores. And then now here's the key steps. If you don't want your house design to get affected, open your smartwatch and then go to blueprint, and then next just tap on this gameplay blueprint on here, and then next just choose empty blueprint and then tap on edit, tap on solo build. And this will open a spirit building area, so your main house stay exactly the same. Now just start placing this start rock, this one like this for example, and then just place the finish rock. For example, I want to add on this area, and then next just build your parkour course however you like using the obstacles you prepared earlier. Just get creative with jump pads or another challenge. For example, I want to make it like this. For example, like this. And then once your course is done, just save this parkour map and tap on complete. And then next just give the map name. Just feel free to name it, for example like this, and then just tap on confirm creations. And then just like that. And then the next steps is you need to verify your blueprint. Just tap on the verifications on here, but for the verifications part I will make it in another video, so just take the another video to watch the next steps. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.